Good day to my future employer. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Juby Siralios, 44 years of age, married, and have 3 blessed children. I am from Philippines. I am graduated of Bachelor Elementary Education. I have experience as a tutor and full-time nanny in Philippines and abroad. I am knowledgeable enough for taking care of the children for all ages, especially the newborn baby. And also, I can be a tutor at the same time because I am finished my studies of Bachelor Elementary Education. And also, I have a certificate domestic work in situ. I have experience in Saudi Arabia for almost 7 years as a nanny and all-around helper for 3 toddler and 1 newborn baby. And also in Philippines as a tutor for 2 children. My currently work experience in Hong Kong as a nanny for 5 years old girl. As a nanny, my main duties and responsibilities, ensuring the safety of the children, keep them clean and healthy, providing their basic needs like feeding, bathing, changing diaper, dressing, preparing their nutrition food, engaging the educational skills like develop counting skills, identifying colors and shape, drawing, coloring, writing, and reading. And also, I drop and fetch them from school. I also do household chores like cooking, washing, ironing, cleaning, and organizing. I am hardworking, long patience, honest, trustworthy, lovable. I am flexible in terms of work. I am always eager to learn more skills. And I also fast learner. To my future employer, if you hired me, I assure you that I am responsible nanny as well. I hope you considered my application. Thank you and God bless us all.